स्टार्ट कर
ठीक है
I welcome you all this afternoon. Let me at the outset thank you a lot, because each and every protest, each and every function of ours, each and every protest or rally of ours was carried by you, and you have made Pratima the face of Goa. Although we all of us were there with her, but now she being the leader, she is the face of Goa, and she, as we all call her, as the Iron Lady, because she is very bold, she is very dashing lady. You have seen Pratima carrying the cylinder, gas cylinder. You have seen Pratima wearing the garland of onions, potatoes and tomatoes. It was just a protest against the price hike. But Mahila Congress, she has not only carried out the protest in the roads of Mahila Congress, but she has also taken up various issues that pertaining to the Goans. Now, we have also celebrated auspicious days such as Children's Day, visiting orphanages and distributing to small children sweets and fruits and whatever that was required. We have also celebrated Women's International Day to spread a message of personal hygiene. On the day when we went door to door and explained about the personal hygiene to those women and how to make the use of sanitary napkins. On the eve of Independence Day, we went to shelter homes for aged and also for children and tried to spend some time with them. We carried out protests against rapes, not only that took place all over India, but also in Goa. We carried out protests against the nationalization of gold rivers, whereby they wanted to carry out the transport of gold through the rivers and thereby pollute the gold rivers and hamper the fishery business. Now, when this did not succeed, now they have started expanding the roads. Carried out protests in Kunkalim on load shedding and for irregular supply of electricity. There was sudden hike in electricity bills, and we took the protest. We went to the electricity department and we told them that this is really going to affect each and every individual of Goa. We conducted, not only that we conducted protest or price hike against the price hike or celebrated auspicious days, we also conducted training programs for our ladies, for our Mahilas. That is on topic like I Am Courage. One was conducted in Molchip, the other was conducted in KP. Then there was another training program called Sitare to all block presidents and its members. We also felicitate Mary Meeta. Now you must be wondering who is this Mary Meeta. She is the maid housemaid of us. Because of that housemaid, we are all here sitting and doing the social work. So we realized the importance of Meeta, and we felicitate all the Meetas from various areas. We explained women about the strength through Shakti program and many more. Help the para-teachers to get them permanent jobs. We also carried protest against 12% GST on sanitary napkins, and we were successful in each and every protest of ours. We supported taxi owners because they stopped the entry of Ola and Uber, which would have hampered and depleted the roti. Okay. Protest against the sorry state of bails and hygiene in the hospital. We had met there personally, all of us. At that time, our national leaders were also with us, like Apsara and all those things. We not only protest or celebrated auspicious days or conducted training, but we also handed memorandums to the important people, like to Her Excellency Mridula Sinha, late Mridula Sinha ji, pertaining the issues of Goa and of Goan women. We also handed memorandum to the then Chief Minister Parrikar, asking him to give the 33% reservation for women. We tried to give justice to the artisan women by taking a morcha on handicraft coalition. Now, so you can see that Goa Mahila Congress under the leadership of Pratima carried out various programs, various protests, various functions whereby we saw the all-round development of women. So let me see. Now we have Congress party has given the ticket to Pratima ji, and she is the face of Goa. And we want to bring her. We want that she should be elected. So I request to all the Goan brothers and sisters. For the first time, we have Congress has given a candidate, and she is fighting under the banner of Congress. So I request all the Goan brothers and sisters that they should cast their vote on 20th on hand for Pratima ji and see that she is elected, because the divisive rule which BJP is trying to play, she should try to stop. If she get elected, then naturally the divisive power of BJP whatever that they intend to do will not happen, because they are trying to make the independent, support us and support the other candidates. So whereby the votes will be divided, and if the votes are divided, then what will happen? Who will benefit? It is the BJP who will benefit. We don't want that. We don't want that votes to be split. We want straight fight between BJP and Congress. And it's my request to all my Goan brothers and sisters that if you want justice to be done to our Goan brothers and sisters, then Pratima is the face who will do the justice, and she should be elected. And for that, each and every one of you should cast a vote to hand, that is the Congress symbol. Because if you try to cast your vote to other small parties or regional parties, then that will divide the vote and BJP will come into power. And what BJP has done? BJP has done just only increase Mahanga, nothing else. They have not done any concrete thing. So it's my earnest request that each and every one of you cast your vote on 20th between 8 to 4, actually timing is 8 to 5. So you cast your vote during that time and get our Pratima, our President of Mahila Congress, elected. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to all my media brothers and sisters. I am Dr. Seema Fernandez. I am the All India Mahila Congress in charge for Goa. I am here to support Advocate Pratima Betsy Kutino, who is our candidate for Naveli Zilla Panchayat elections. I want to thank you first because I have seen what kind of a coverage you have given Advocate Pratima ji. We are very happy in the All India Mahila Congress because there is so much of activity which is happening in Goa which is taken under her leadership. May it be social activities, may it be any kind of agitations. The work that she has taken up, we have not seen it across India. I could proudly say, being the Goa in charge, Advocate Pratima Kutino is one of our best presidents that we have in the state. And that's the reason why we are kind of here in full strength from the Congress family to support her. Because we feel this is going to be a trend setter, a turning point for Congress. 2022 is not far. Just probably less than a year we could be facing an election here soon. And we want to see from Naveli, there is going to be a change for the Congress party. Everybody knows Pratima ji as the Iron Lady of Goa. Why? Because we've seen that strength in her. Anytime we tell her, Pratima ji, this is one program that you have to kind of do on behalf of the All India Mahila Congress. Without seeing day or dawn or whatever it might be, she just wears her sneakers and gets going to the collector's office, may it be memorandum to the chief minister, may it be protesting on the streets, getting the price down for onions or maybe for coconuts, which is a staple food of Goa. Now that is what is a leader we are looking at. What do people want? When we are going for election, somebody who can be their voice, somebody who can kind of stand for them, somebody who can do their work. pensions only, it can be anything. And these people are looking for support of the leader. Most of the times we see leaders going at the doorstep of the electorate when elections are there. ताज्या उपरांत 5 वर्सां कोणाची तोंडां आमकां पळोवंक मेळना. But Pratima ji is somebody, every day you see her on the streets. काले जावं दी, rape issue may be, or any issue concerning women, empowerment जावं दी, social activities as Veena ji mentioned, may be distribution of sanitary napkins, grocery. There was a tough time which we faced, unprecedented time I must say during the COVID times. She fell ill, but despite that she was going door to door and she was distributing dal, rice, oil, maybe anything which the people were finding hard to get. This is what we are looking in a leader. Fearlessness, you should see the way she fights, raises her voice for the people. May the police just push her. She doesn't care. She must have taken beating several times. As a lady, how many ladies have you seen like that who can work ferociously, like literally kind of giving up everything and work for you? And for people of Naveli, we are really proud in a way that we are pitching a candidate who is kind of, so good. Most of the times we think, Aka vote karije, Taka vote karije, Kona vote karije, because none of the leaders are capable. But for the first time, I can proudly say that Congress party has fielded a candidate. We have requested her, let me be frank on this, in interest of the party, that she stands and fights this election. And I would want to also say during this press conference, she is going to win with a thumping majority. Let me be very, very clear on this. Maybe the Chief Minister himself going and campaigning over there, or maybe his deputy who went to Naveli yesterday when we were also campaigning, or anybody. The reason being, I have gone with Pratima ji over the last 4-5 days across the constituency, and when I go, I see the love and respect that people have for her. गळात एकर हक्कन तिका सांगतात, ब्लेस करतात तिका आनी सांगतात, तू येतली गो बाये, तू आमच्या खातीर तू वावुरला, तू झुजला, तू आमच्या खातीर वावुरतना तुका देव बरें करतलो, तू वयर पावतली. इतलें पुरो बरें सांगचें उतरां तें आमकां भारी बरें लागता. हांव भायर तावन आयलां, भायर तावन आयल्यार I get to see all this, and I'm proud of my president. I have to tell you this, and that's why I'm standing by her, and I will see her win, and I will celebrate the win. So all of them, Naveli Kards County, constituency County, their particular constituency, Zilla Panchayatache, number 60. I would like you to come out of your homes. Humble request. 8 वरार आता कोविड टाइम्स घरा बसी नाकात कोविड म्हूण सांगून तुमकां एक ड्युटी आसा. यू हॅव अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. तुमकां एक बरी उमेदवार मेळ्ळा. यू हॅव टू कम, यू हॅव टू सपोर्ट हर. सो प्लीज कास्ट युअर वोट्स ऑन दॅट डे. टेक प्रिकॉशन्स and see that you give her that thumping majority what she requires, and she will fight for you. Thank you so much.
हांगासर आशिल्ली माझी ऑल इंडिया महिला काँग्रेसाची इंचार्ज ऑफ गोवा डेस्क डॉक्टर सीमा फेर्नांडीस, तशीच माझी रायटान आसा आमची कमिटीची स्टेट कमिटीची वायस प्रेसिडेंट बाय मॅडम Veena Shantaram Naik. She is also, I would like to clearly mention that she is the the wife of the ex-MP of Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, and the ex-PCC chief, that is Bab Shantaram Naik. His wife, she is my vice president, and of course towards my extreme left is by Rima Fernandez. Dias, I'm sorry, she's Rima Dias, our deputy Sarpanch of Telaulim, who has been with me on the field for the last 2 weeks. And of course, my press brothers and sisters, a very good evening. Well, another 10 minutes campaigning time stops as we are going for elections on the 20th of March from 8 a.m. till 5 p.m. Now I feel acknowledged, I feel obliged, and I feel so heavy. In fact, Madam Veena ji told all the protests, all the agitations, it may be to governor, to CM, police station, everything for the people, old age, तुझे भुरग्यां खातीर whichever issue, rapes, molestation, but बायलेचेर अत्याचार जाता जावं ते कांद्याक लागून रस्त्यार बसप, नाल्लाक लागून रस्त्यार बसप, इतले इश्यू जावं हाऊसवाईफ स्किम्साक लागून, गोवा सी फेअर्साक लागून झगडले, इतले इश्यू तिणें सांगल्या. म्हाका उलोवपाक कांय जोरू ना. आमी इतले इश्यू घेतले सांगपाचें. वेन आय टूक ओवर एज महिला काँग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट, येस, आय took that responsibility very honestly, and I said to myself, when I've taken this responsibility, I represent a woman of Goa. The 50% of population is good women. I never thought which party they belong to, which religion they belong to, which caste. Whichever matters came to me, I never questioned them which party you belong to or which party or candidate you supported. खंयच्याय धर्माचे जावं, खंयच्याय जातीचे जावं, बायलांक लागून हांव खंयच्याय झुजला जावं आसूं. इट मे बी रेप, मोलेस्टेशन, डावरी, खूब त्रास काडलेले बायलांक हांव खंय धांवना. फ्रॉम काणकोण टू पेडणे, एंटायर गोवा, आय हॅव डन माय जॉब रिलिजियसली एंड ऑनेस्टली. आतां सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार हें करतासतना म्हजो आवाज बंद करपा खातीर BJP सरकारान एक टूल काडलें की ही बायल आयकना. सो तिणें एक टूल काडलें. कितले तरी म्हजेर एक 9 केसीस आयज आसा आनी त्यो पर्सनल केसीस कांय ना. म्हळ्यार हांवें कोणाक धमकी दिली वा म्हाजे कितें ब्लॅक धंदो आसा तसलें कांय ना. बट म्हाका सो दॅट आय शाय अवे, हांव म्हजें तोंड बंद करपा खातीर म्हजेर 9 केसीस घातल्यो. कितले पाटी तरी म्हाका एज्युटेशन बरे भाशेन करता रस्त्यार बिस्तेच काडून 200 पुलीस येताले. हांव वचपाचे पयलीं 200 पुलीस हाडोवपाक दांडे घेवन, जायते फाटी दांडे पडल्या, दांडे तांचे मोडल्या देखून. सो म्हाका धरून तेणी म्हज्या कमिटीक धरून पुलीस स्टेशनाक व्हेला. आमकां लेजेंड घालपाक, न्यूज वायरल करपाक, प्रतिमा इज अरेस्टेड, म्हाका डिटेल म्हाका भितर घातला. फ्रॉम 4 o'clock टू 7 o'clock हांव म्हापसा पुलीस स्टेशनाक बसलां, पणजे पुलीस स्टेशनाक बसलां. लोकांक हेल्प करपाक गेल्ले कडेन म्हाका खूब सोंसपाक पडलां. हांव सांगपाक सोदतां लोकांक की हे पर्सनल न्ही, हे लोकां खातीर हांव अरेस्टूय जालां आनी आयज म्हजे सुमार 500 FIR आसा. FIRs कित्याक आसा? सो ते म्हाका त्रास करपाक. म्हणजे म्हयन्याक म्हाका 4 पाटी कोर्टाक वचपाक पडटा. सुमनांतल्यान एक पाटी हांव एक म्हापसा आसता, दुसरें आसता पणजे चिल्ड्रन्स कोर्ट, मागीर मडगांव, मागीर काणकोण. म्हणल्यार म्हजेर इतल्यो केसीस घातिल्ल्यो आसा. बट आय हॅव नॉट शायड अवे बिकॉज आय एम प्रतिमा. आय ऑलवेज से दे कॅन रेप मी, दे कॅन शेक मी, बट आय एम स्ट्रॉंग. I will always remain strong. That makes me Pratima because I'm meant to be here to serve the society. I have never discriminated. I've always seen that I give justice to women, girls and even to the society. कोणी आसूं तो दादलो, कोणूय बायल आसूं. आतां जेन्ना म्हाका जिल्ल्यांत बस म्हणलें तेन्ना आमचो ताच्या पयले सांद्रीक कोयलो म्हणून उमेदवार आशिल्लो आनी हांवें पक्षाचे ऑनेस्ट कार्यकर्ता म्हणून, लॉयलिस्ट म्हणून हांवें ताच्या ऑफिसांत वचून इनॉग्रेशनाक बसलें, ताची स्तुती केली. ताच्या बरोबर हांव दोंगोरी, बेलुशे गांवांतली भोंवलें. पूण ताका कोवीड जालें खंय तरी आनी इतलो सिरियस जालो की तो सोंपलो. आनी द स्टोरी बिगेन लेटर. द लिडरशीप वी हॅड अ कोर कमिटी मीटिंग and I was not expecting this to come from there. Directly they said, why don't Pratima you take, why don't you contest? And I was like, I've worked so hard for 24 years and it's my time where last minute I was sacrificed as the MP and I'm a strong contender now. But then, as I've said, I'm a loyalist and I told my leadership I will take a call. I went around, there was a warm welcome. Local leaders told me, wow, it will be a beautiful thing, but we still feel that you should be in assembly to fight for us. We don't want any puppets or we don't want any कोणी आमकां डमीज नाका. कोणाच्यो बायल्यो, कोणाच्यो चलयो घालतात पळय पॅरेशूट अशें हाडून, तसले आमकां कॅन्डिडेट्स नाका. आमकां तुज्या भाशेन झुजलेले मनीस जाय. एज आय एम नॉट कमींग फ्रॉम एनी पॉलिटिकल बॅकग्रावंड, I always have told that I come from a middle class family. My father, ex-headmaster, and my mother, housewife, who had to give up her service to look after the 3 daughters. We are all 3 daughters. My father always took me as more than a boy, always motivated. And here I would like to say that yes, it was because of him that I got to enter politics at the age of 18, and he was my motivator, and till date he's been motivating me in politics. But I consider myself, even if Madam has said and our in charge has said, today boys call me Iron Lady, Jhansi Ki Rani of the Tigris, but I want to say that I am here. For me, people's issues are my issues, people's problems are my problems. And people might call me as a leader, but I feel I am a grassroots worker because I have come the hard way. And yes, as I've said, I'm not a parachute. हांव सकल्ल्यान वयर आयिल्लें आसा, जावं ते ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट जावन यूथ काँग्रेसाचे, मागीर लिगल चेअरपर्सन जावन. I'm an educated person. So I have even worked as a legal chairperson under Girish Prodekar in Youth Congress. Then I was the first elected Youth Congress president in the organization, and proud to say that I was the first lady Youth Congress president. Later, I went on being the vice chairperson of Malwa municipality. I took up many issues, and then as a chairman of the market committee, I made it a point that encroachments were removed, illegalities were not entertained, and the goals, especially the SC, भाव जे भयण्यो तरकाट्यो भाजयो रोयतात, फळां फुलां रोयतात, तांकां खंय तरी जागो दिवपाक हांव सुचयलें. आफ्टर दॅट यूथ काँग्रेस जातकीर म्हाका जनरल सेक्रेटरीचें पद दिलें राहुल गांधीन, आनी रोखडेच एट द एज ऑफ 36-37 म्हाका हाडलो आनी हो भार घातलो तकलेचेर. I got the news. I was traveling and I just saw on WhatsApp saying that Advocate Pratima Betsy-Coutinho appointed as the new Mahila Congress President of Goa, and that was it. I took that responsibility very seriously. Till today, when I went, आता हांव म्हजे कॅम्पेनिंगाक भोंवता, म्हाका 4 पंचायती लागता. I took up the decision to take up this in the interest of the party, and party has told me, my leadership has told me, not only Goa but central leaders. I would like to thank Sonia Gandhi ji, I would like to thank Priyanka Gandhi ji, I would like to thank Rahul ji, and special thanks to our in charge Dinesh Gundu Rao ji, who is the in charge of PCC Goa, and of course not forgetting my All India Congress Mahila Congress President Shushmita Dev ji. These leaders, I cannot say no, because under their guidance I am going forward, and I have been told that you will be rewarded at the right time, Pratima, and these sacrifices will not be, we will not let you down. But I have taken this responsibility because in the interest of party, I have got 4 panchayats. I would like to tell you all. First is Naveli, second is Telauli, third is Silli, Ramapur Silli, and fourth is Sarzora. आता हे 4 पंचायत हांव रिप्रेजेंट करता. आतां कंटेस्ट करता, आनी म्हाका जाय की ह्या फाल्यां जेन्ना हांव जिखून येतलें तेन्ना हांव एक कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी कितें तरी करतलें म्हणून. म्हाका चड स्ट्रेस घालपाची गरज आसपाना, कित्याक रस्ते म्हणटात ते आमचे. बाब लुईजीन फालेलो, जो एक्स CM आनी MLA आशिल्लो, तेणें जायतें काम केल्लें आसा. पूण देर वॉज अ ब्रेक इन बिटवीन. 10 years was taken by Sonia Gandhi as the AICC in charge General Secretary, and 10 years there was a gap, and we saw other MLAs coming. But I would not like to criticize the other MLAs. But yes, somewhere I would like to say, as the duty of the candidate, ZP candidate, who should do something. ZP candidate ता बारीक कामां आसतात, थोड्याचे फंड मेळटा, रस्ते 10 फावटी फोडटात, तेन्ना कितें तरी करपाक मेळटा. स्ट्रीट लायट्स ताका लक्ष घालपाक मेळटा, पब्लीक टॉयलेट्स, अंगणवाडीज. अरे इट इज द जॉब ऑफ अ ZP member to take all the panchayats together and work and do something. आयज लोक हांव जेन्ना दारान गेलें, let me tell you, religiously 14 days I completed the entire 4 panchayats. I went to Telauli. I started my campaign with Deputy Sarpanch, that is Rima Dias. अख्खे Telauli आमी भोंवली, आमी सगळे सब कंप्लीट केले. मागीर आमी नागमोडे भोंवली, मागीर आमी सिंकेटी भोंवली, मागीर आमी रावोरा भोंवली, आमी रातवाडा भोंवली, आमी वेलुशे डोंगरी भोंवली, आमी बुद्धिकास भोंवली, आमी कायरो नगर, क्रूज नगर 2 दिसां भितर कंप्लीट केलें. आनी भोंवून सगळ्या कडेन मागीर हे सगळे गांवां भोंवतकीर नागमोडे बीन सगळे करून जातकीर आमी रामापूर सिल्ली गेली, आनी मागीर लास्ट सारजोरा आमी 3 दीस जाले कंप्लीट केले. जेन्ना हांव नावेली, तेलावली, रामापूर सिल्ली आनी सारजोराच्या वाटेराक गेलें, I was really touched. I was feeling honored because I didn't have to introduce myself. There was no house, even the children of the house, the भुरगीं घरांतली आनी जाणटी, म्हाका सांगता एल्डरली सिनियर सिटीजन्स ऑफ 75-80 years. हांव वतालें आनी म्हणटालें, हो घरा कोण आसा, यो गो बाय प्रतिमा, और हो प्रतिमा बाय, सदांच टिवीचेर चोयताय, पूण आयज तुका थोड्यांनी चोयताय. दे वर यूथ, स्पेशली गर्ल्स, टिनेजर्स, They were kids. They were youth boys. I really feel embarrassed to say, but they treated me like a big time celebrity, taking selfies and posting on Facebook. So this is the love they are given, and I tried to introspect, and I said to myself, this is all my hard work which I have given to the society. This is all that love what I have given to Goa and Goans. So that is not gone in vain. So I would like to say, there is no substitute for hard work. And I feel, yes, Congress has given a lady who is a very young, fearless, loyalist Congress woman. When I went to Samarpur, Silli, people were a little hurt. Not with me, they were happy, they were welcoming me with open arms, but they were hurt with the way their own legislator, who is the lone minister of their constituency, along with other 12, am I right, Rima? They were hurt and they were giving those reactions that we are hurt that we are given the mandate to the hand, but these fellows have cheated not only us but our trust. So that is the time I've gone to them, sat at their places, I made it a point. It was not just a campaign where I read and gave and said vote for him. When they gave me a warm welcome and they made me sit on their sofas, hardly you always see politicians will like but when it came to Pratima, it was please come, please sit madam, 2 minutes. And that time I told them, don't feel betrayed. I understand you all feel betrayed and cheated, that you all had voted for Hath. तुम्ही हाती काँग्रेसाक वोट मारिल्लो, तुमकां तेणी चीट केला, पूण तुमकां फ्युचर आसा. एक दिसान कांयच जायना. There is time that you all have to reply. And I should tell them, if you all have voted for this head, and if he has cheated you all, or these people have cheated, remember that he has cheated even the party. He has even cheated Sonia Gandhi. He has even cheated me and you all. So I told them that you all have not cheated the party. So you all stay with the party. And they have told me. Many houses have told me. Some have told we are upset with Congress because this has happened to us, but we are going to vote for Pratima. This is the line they have said, and it's being honest. There's nothing to lie about it. So I told them, think about the end, think about Pratima, and please press the button. And they have vowed by that. आता आज म्हणजे इतल्यो केसीस आसतना देखून हांव झुजता, हांव उगी रावना, पूण लज की काल राती आमची पब्लीक मिटींग चलताली नावेली आनी आमी एक शो ऑफ युनिटी दाखयलो. हेच आमकां ट्रोल करताले की आमचे काँग्रेस इज नॉट द काँग्रेस हाऊस इज नॉट इन ऑर्डर. Yesterday, for my campaign, I feel proud to tell you, our honorable leader of opposition, Digambar Kamath, who is so busy in campaign for municipality, he made it a time for me. Not only yesterday, the day before yesterday he came. He was so busy, but he came to Brahmapur for the meeting. He gave his time, he campaigned, and he left. Yesterday also he was there. He told the people, this is the time to give a befitting reply to the BJP by voting for Pratima. If you all feel that you all have been cheated by these 12 people, you all can give a tight slap on their faces by voting for Pratima. Secondly, I am very thankful to my MLA, ex-Chief Minister, my MLA of Navili constituency, who has been a backbone to me, who was there right beside me, along with other leaders while filing nominations, that is Babsri Luzin Falero. He had been to Kerala on a mission because elections he is the in charge, but after coming, hence he had given a word. Last 4 days he is with me in my constituency. Wherever required, he is supporting me, attending the meetings, addressing the meetings, and waiting till the meeting is over. Because it is the MLA, तुझं MLA तो तुका रावपाक पडटा. Girish Chodronkar, my PCC president, of course, he has even walked with me for 3-4 days for the campaign and addressed all the meetings. And last, not forgetting my good friend, Bob Reginald Lorenzo, the MLA of Purtori, who has been with me. So all have come together, a message is gone of unity. आणि हांगा काल डेप्युटी CM पयर CM प्रमोद सावंत आयलो, लज that these elections are gone, they have made it worse than MLA elections. Power, पैशे, full on. लोक म्हणटात आमी खातली पितली, वोट मारतली हातीक कित्याक कॅन्डिडेट बरो केला. CM येवन ते मिटींग करता आनी दुसरे सायडीन मुस्लीम एरिया आहा थंय डॉमिनेटेड. ते 2 डेप्युटी CM बाबू कवडेकर आनी बाबू आजगांवकर, दोनी जेणे लोकांचे मॅन्डेट ट्रस्ट बिट्रे करून गेल्ले आसा आयज BJP, ते आयज ते वचपा लागल्यात. मिटिंगाक लोक वतात कित्याक पावर तांचे कडेन आसा म्हणून आनी फाटल्यान आमकां सांगतात भिवपाची गरज ना म्हणून CMाचो डायलॉग. भिवपाची गरज ना मॅडम, आमकां खबर आहा हेणी काँग्रेसाक चीट केला, आमकां चीट केला आनी हांकां तोंड आसा काय म्हूण सांगपाक. सो people know, people हुशार आसा आनी आमी गोंयकार आमी तकले बुद्दीन सुसेग आमी हांगात सुसेगाद आसात पूण बुद्दीन हुशार आसा. So I'm reposing the trust and faith in the people of Naveli, Telauli, Sarzora, Sili and Ramapur. I promise you all, my manifesto is not made up with false promises. Because you all might see, MLAs election होता तेन्ना व्हडले व्हडले दितात आनी मागीर ताच्या 140 मॅनिफेस्टो उरतात ते प्रॉमिसीस जायना. मजे आसा एक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. आमी सांगला की frequent power supply failures can be attributed to several factors, including the age-old power supply lines, lack of adequate transformers to cater the ever-increasing power consumption, and improper maintenance. It will be. I'll see that I'll follow up with the concerned local MLA, engineer, electricity department to tackle these issues. दुसरे वॉटर सप्लाय माझे 2-2 दिसांक उदक प्रॉब्लेम जाता. विजीट सरांनी खूब सांगला प्रॉब्लेम कित्याक लागून जाता तो. Old pipes, they have to be replaced by new ones, larger diameter. It's a need of hour. ते म्हाका मुद्दो म्हाका मेन घेवपाक जाय. तिसरें म्हणल्यार रोड्स आमचे 10 फावटी BJP सरकार केबलाक लागून हेका लागून फोडूच रावतात. ते जशें विजीन बाबान सांगला जशें म्हाजें इलेक्शन आयज काबार जाता रोखडेच 7 दिसां भितर तेणें सांगलां जावं ते नालमोडे आनी जायते एरियांत गेलो ते पिड्यार जाले ते हॉट मिक्सिंग जातलें. सो यू ऑल कॅन इमॅजीन the day I'm elected within 7 days the work is starting, and it is a word given by our honorable MLA of Naveli by Luizen Falero. And last I want to tell you, since I was the vice chairperson and I was on the board of garbage management, I want to tackle this issue about the garbage. I will see that I take all the 4 panchayats along with me, work with the coordination of my MLA, and last I will see that सरकार तो म्हणटा BJPचो CM म्हणटा केंद्रांतली सरकार पावरफूल आसा BJP आनी हांगा एक गोंयांत सरकार आसा आमी कामां करतली जाल्यार हांव परतून परतून ताका सांगता बाबा तुज्यान सादो कांद्याचो रेट सकयल हाडूंक जावना, गॅस सिलिंडराचो रेट तुका सकयल हाडपाक जावना, पेट्रोलाचो डिझेलाचो रेट सकयल हाडपाक जावना, इलेक्ट्रिसिटीक तुका रेट सकयल इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल्स तुका रेट हाडपाक जावना. कोविडांत लोकांक इतलो त्रास जालो तुका तांचे घरां सांबाळपाक जावना, तांचे पोट सांबाळपाक जावना. तर तुजें केंद्र सरकार जावं हांगाचो सरकार जावं हांव चॅलेंज केला ताका CM फाल्यां PMान इतकून घेवन येवंदी गोंयांत नावेली ताजे अमित शाह घेवन येवंदी आनी ताजे डेप्युटी CM सगळे कडेन भोंवता ते भोंवनी. लोक प्रतिमाकूच वोट मारतलो कित्याक प्रतिमान काम केल्लें आसा. प्रतिमान ऑलरेडी आपलो रिपोर्ट कार्ड लोकांच्या घरा पावयला. 150 एज्युकेशन केल्यात, कितले FIR आसा, कितले केसीस आसा, कितले लोकांनी जस्टीस दिल्ले आसा ते लोकांक खबर आसा. आनी प्रतिमाचे बॅनर ते पिंजून कितलेंय भायर मारून banners don't matter because I am already instilled in the hearts of girls. आख्खे गोंयांत समज हांव भोंवपाक शकता, काम करपाक शकता जाल्यार म्हज्या नावेली, तेलावली, सिर्ली, रामापूर आनी म्हाज्या साजोराच्या लोकांक करपाक शकना. I have promised that I am a call away, just a call away, and they have seen my work and they have told me to just go ahead. We will vote for him, we will vote for Pratima, we will vote for Congress. आनी लास्ट म्हणजे सांगपाक सोदता की जे म्हजे बरोबर आयज ना तांकां दिसता कित्याक एक टीम जाल्ली आसा BJPची. ती म्हणटा की पयले बाबूश बशिल्लो तेन्ना तेणी BJP कॅन्डिडेट घालून आसलो. प्रतिमा जेन्ना आयलें इलेक्शनाक तेन्ना तेणी भिवून कॅन्डिडेट घातलो आनी ताका दिसता की BJPचो लॉट BJPक आसतलो. आनी तेची दुसरी बी टीम आसा थंय तेणी मातशे व्हडले व्हडले लिडरांक ती कामाक लायिल्ले आसा. भितरल्यान जे तांच्या बरोबर आसा तांचो सपोर्ट घेता तांकां तेणी कामाक लायिल्ले आसा की कॅथलीक वोट्स डिवायड करचे म्हणून, स्प्लीट करचे म्हणून. ST वोट स्प्लीट जातले अशें तांकां दिसता. पूण ना, इट इज नॉट अबाउट ST, SC, OBC. इट इज इवन आय टेल यू हिंदू ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स. वाय नॉट ओनली मायनॉरिटीज, Catholics or Muslims, even Hindu brothers and sisters are telling me, go ahead, this time we are not going to see the party, we are just going to look at Pratima and vote for Pratima. So जे लोक म्हज्या अगेन्स्ट आयज काम करपाक लागल्या, म्हाका उलोवपाक प्रयत्न करपाक लागल्या, they will fail big time, no doubt about it, but I would like to tell them, my doors will be always open for you all. My phones will always, I'll see that I receive your calls, and my doors in Naveli, when residing for last 20 years in Dogori, my doors will be open for you all. Even if you all don't vote for me, or if you all worked against me, I'm not going to keep any anger because I am a person with a clean heart. I believe I'm here to serve the society. You all are welcome. I will see that I will help you all big time. Vote for Congress, vote for HED. 20 तारखेर भायर सरात, लेजिनेस करनाका. तो दीस हॉलिडे आसा. समज तुमकां दिसता आमी खरें काम केल्लें आसा इतले वर्सां सॅक्रिफायस केल्ले आसा आनी म्हज्या फॅमिलीक भुरग्यांक खूब खुशीन दवरून हांवें काम केल्लें आसा. तुमकां समज हांव सदां न्यूज पेपरान आनी टी व्ही दिश्टी पडटा म्हणल्यार तुमी चिंतात काम केल्लें आसा, सॅक्रिफायस केल्लें आसा, म्हजें यूथ सॅक्रिफायस केल्लें आसा, म्हजें लायफस्टायल सॅक्रिफायस केल्लें आसा पक्षा कडेन आनी लोकांक लागून हांवें काम केलें जाल्यार 8 ते 5 ते दीस म्हाजे हात जोडून मागता येयात आनी म्हाका वोट करात. कित्याक माय मोटीव इज टू सर्व यू ऑल and no position is big or small. I will see that when I am into the Zilla and when the panel is there, I will fight because I am used to educating, fighting for the people. I will fight and get things done. With maybe Anganwadi, open spaces, develop करपाचे, रस्ते, उदक सगळे. व्हडले promises करना, but I will see that I will not put you all down. I promise you all, I am keeping my word as I have worked. I will always keep my word going and fighting for you. देव बरें करूं.